Morning. It's 8 o'clock, everybody. The Mini is full of spider webs, as you can see. And I'm just going to get a rag and dust them off. I'm not going to wash the car. I'm going to bring some Urban Shine with me and just give it a quick wipe down. I don't want to wash the car with these just freshly done. I was thinking about washing it, but I don't want to blast these and the paint come off because they literally got painted Thursday and it's now Saturday. So be smart with your freshly painted parts. But she's looking good. I do love the lights and the front lip now. It's so clean. So happy with it. So yeah, I'm just going to dust this off and then we're going to head to Cars and Coffee on Junction 14, Mayfield. So yeah, let's get this done. Whoop. Ready to rock. I'll clean it when I get there. That'll do. Let's go. Need a coffee first though. So we made it safe and sound. A few little cars here at the moment, but it's not even 10 o'clock yet. That's what time it starts at. But yeah, give the Mini a wipe down and she looks, that spoiler, so good. Look at this thing. VS works. Haven't seen a set of wheels like that in a long time, especially on a Volkswagen.
Good machine. Don't know if you ever came across that online or anything. Yeah, twin engine.
So myself and Martin made it. Martin was late-ish. We're gonna have a look at some lovely cars. Another Vtecer. Loving this spoiler. It's pretty cool. Twin pipes. Awesome. Oh, no, don't mind this shitbox. Trying to convince Martin to get these kind of wheels for his car, because these wheels belong on that and them wheels belong on. Where's the owner? We got them to swap wheels. That's a tight squeeze there, boss.
That's you, isn't it? Yeah.
Ladies. Didn't come with a sat nav. So that's it. End of a good day. 2 cars side by side. The wife came down in the daily wagon just in case this broke, but no, it didn't break. The lights are still working, front lip is still on, still starts and drives perfect, and my spoiler looks absolutely beautiful. So yeah, as usual guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that subscribe button, give the video a like and comment. I do appreciate it. So let's go, time to go home. See you in the next one. Be dedicated. Peace out.